Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss remedial class 10 of synchronous machine. Power angle characteristic. What is the power angle characteristic of synchronous machine? When synchronous generator feeding power to infinite bus bar at a constant terminal voltage, it is shown in the single line diagram. The phasor diagram for lagging power factor is shown in the figure. So the power angle characteristic is the characteristic of a alternator when it is connected to the infinite bus, and in this figure we can see that the generator is connected to the infinite bus bar and its reactance is shown by XS. So for large generator, armature resistance is negligible and only reactance is considered. So the cylindrical rotor alternator connected to infinite bus bar is shown by a single line diagram. If we see the phasor diagram of this alternator for lagging power factor load, we can see that Ia is lagging Vt by angle theta, and Vt is extended with Ia axis, which gives the resultant voltage EMF at the generator or alternator shown by EF. The power delivered to the infinite bus bar is given by terminal voltage multiplied by the armature current multiplied by the cos theta. So it is Vt Ia cos theta. It is seen that angle OBA is 90 minus theta and angle OBC is 90 plus theta. So triangle OBC reveals that BC upon sine of angle BOC is equal to OC upon sine of angle OBC. This is nothing but the opposite angle ratio, and BC is nothing but XS multiplied by Ia, and OC is nothing but the generated EMF. So the resultant equation now becomes Ia XS sine 90 plus theta is equal to EF sine del, and here we can find out that Ia cos theta is equal to EF upon XS sine del. Substituting the equation of Ia cos theta in the power equation, we can get the answer as power developed is equal to EF into Vt upon XS sine del. So this is the equation of the power developed across the infinite if or an alternator connected to infinite bus bar. The variation of the power as derived above with respect to power angle del is plotted in the figure 1.24. The power versus load angle characteristic has a sinusoidal shape, and it is usually known as power angle characteristic for the cylindrical rotor synchronous machine. The power for the generator is taken as positive and for the motor it is taken as negative. So this is all about the power angle characteristic for a cylindrical rotor synchronous machine. We will find out power angle characteristic for salient pole rotor synchronous machine also in the consequent lectures. This is all about this lecture. Thank you very much.